Tired of outrageous phone bills that feel like you're throwing money down the drain? Then you've clicked on the right video, because today, we're dissecting US Mobile, exploring every nook and cranny to help you decide if they're the key to unlocking serious savings on your monthly phone plan. First up, let's talk about the backbone of any good phone service coverage. US Mobile cleverly uses both Verizon and T-Mobile networks. This means you choose the network that works best in your area when you sign up to check coverage. Head to their website. They have a coverage map you can use to see which network provides a stronger signal in your neighborhood. Now for the exciting part, the plans. US Mobile offers a range of options. They have pre-built, unlimited plans with different data allotments and features, like hotspot data and international calling. Then, they also offer custom plans where you select the exact amount of talk, text, and data you need, so you're only paying for what you actually use. Building your own plan is simple. Just slide the toggles to choose your desired talk minutes, text messages, and data allowance. The price updates in real time as you make changes. It's perfect for light users who want to avoid unnecessary charges. One of the biggest draws of US Mobile is its price. They often undercut the bigger carriers, especially if you're willing to customize your plan. Be sure to compare US Mobile plans with your current plan to see potential savings. Customer support is an important factor. US Mobile offers various support channels, including online chat, phone support, and a detailed knowledge base. Many users report positive experiences with their customer service team. Ultimately, US Mobile is a compelling option for budget-conscious users who want flexibility and control over their phone plan. Do some research, compare the plans, and see if US Mobile can help you ditch those sky-high phone bills.